Faraway land, there are family living in home named Lucky. They are living happy always and understand each other in times of good and bad times. Our scenario is Jamaica, the mother of 3 children, but one of her child is adopted, and until now at present, CJ, the adopted child, did not know that he is adopted by his parents. Every day is special. That is the feeling when you belong to Lucky Family, where there are hope, joy, faith, and security.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Daddy. I hope that you're okay and happy to my surprises. Enjoy your day, and I love you.
Thank you, Mapa. Can we talk? Please.
Hi, best friend. Have a good day. I miss you so much.
Let's go, best friend. I hope that we are in the same classroom. We all meet. Hey! 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 It's not